an annual initiative of the I Can Serve Foundation. I Can Serve is a Philippine-based advocacy group composed of breast cancer survivors and volunteers. The organization collaborates with local government units to develop breast cancer control programs aimed at promoting early detection, ensuring access to accurate diagnosis and timely treatments.
As a chairperson of the Committee on Health, we have put into the Council an ordinance localizing the National Integrated Cancer Care Act. And it's on second reading. Hopefully we'll have it approved. This will be the starting point for intensified efforts on the part of the city to make this truly a program of our health centers.
Mas hindi na sila nahihiya, yung nawala yung stigma. Ngayon kasi parang open-minded na rin mga babae, wife, ganun, parents. Talagang malaking tulong, kaya talagang pinaglaanan ko ng oras ang pumunta dito. Kasi I've been on minor surgery sa cyst 2004 and then 2010. Tapos meron ulit. So meron akong parang aasikasuhin for mammogram.
Para sa akin, mas importante talagang magkaroon ng ganitong event. Hindi lang ngayon kailangan may monthly or kahit na anong para at least yung, kasi mostly marami tayong kababaihan na ganito yung mga nararanasan natin. Lalo na at yung iba parang binabaliwala, ayaw nilang mag-attend ng ganito. Kaya kailangan na merong ganito at mahubog natin silang pumunta, lalo na sa mga kababaihan, para malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga cause ng cancer or sa mga, kunyari, cancer lalo na sa cancer sa breast sa mga kababaihan. Kaya kailangan natin magkaroon ng ganitong event.
Acceptance, at that time kasi ang gusto ko lang is matapos na. So I did not pay attention sa proseso ba. Basta sa akin matapos yung aking treatment and I will sa isip ko and I will go back to my normal life, pero hindi pala siya. So at that time, but 2016 and 2017 came, the depression came in. So doon ko siya na-realize na doon pa lang siya nag-sink in sa akin na ito pala yung aking diagnosis. But 2009 hindi ko siya naramdaman. So 7 years after, doon ako na-depressed for 2 years.